Good morning, McCandless.
We are so excited you're here today.
I'm Ryan.
And I'm Stephanie.
And this is MTV. Today's Monday, January 27th. Today's National Bubble Wrap Appreciation Day.
Please stand for flag salute led by Phoebe, Kat, and Karen.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Here are today's announcements. There will be an assembly today at 1 o'clock in the cafeteria. The Hutch High Expressive Choir will be performing for us. All students are invited to attend.
This Wednesday is Kansas Day.
Woo-hoo!
Every day this week, we will share a piece of Kansas history. Today's fact is, Kansas was the 34th state added to our country on January 29th, 1861.
I wonder how old that would make our state. Can you figure it out? Take 2020 and subtract 1861.
Have a funny joke you want to share on MTV? Here's the joke of the day. What can you catch but never throw?
I don't know what.
A cold. Have a funny joke you want to share on MTV? Write it down and bring it to the library. Don't forget your name and your teacher's name.
What's for lunch today? The menu is fiestada pizza with salsa, refried beans, fresh orange wedges, seasoned corn, and milk.
The breakfast for tomorrow is French toast sticks with syrup or rotograms with string cheese served with fresh pineapple, fruit juice, and milk.
We would like to wish a happy birthday on Saturday to Owen Price in 3rd grade.
Happy birthday on Sunday to Mrs. Allman, Mrs. Johnson, and Mrs. White.
We would like to wish a happy birthday to Javier Castiello in 3rd grade. Thanks for watching MTV. I'm Ryan.
And I'm Stephanie, signing off tomorrow.
Have a great day!